Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all well and fine. So, if you have enjoyed learning about Lady Diana's life, legacy, and humanitarian, be sure to be subscribed to our channel for more captivating documentaries and biographies. My channel is dedicated to sharing inspiring stories, exploring Bollywood history, and examining the lives of fascinating figures. So by subscribing and supporting our channel, you are helping us create more high quality content that informs, educates and inspires. Your loyalty enables us to continue sharing the stories that matter and exploring the complexities of history and shedding light on the triumphs and struggle of iconic figures like Lady Diana. So we love engaging with our audience. Share your thoughts, ask questions, and contact with fellow history enthusiasts in the comment section. Your participation helps build a vibrant community around our content. So don't miss out on our upcoming documentaries, biographies, and special features. Subscribe now and become part of our growing community. Every subscription, like, comments, and share empowers us to continue creating content that resonates with you. So thank you for being a part of our journey. So my dear subscribers and all my viewers, Lady Diana's childhood was marked by a privilege and loneliness, shaping her empathic nature. Diana's parents, John Spencer and Florence Shane, had a troubled marriage, influencing her views on relationships. She was known for her compassion and kindness, often visiting hospitals and charities. Diana's love for children led her to become a nursery teacher before marrying Charles. Her iconic 1981 engagement interview revealed her innocence, and Diana's fairy tale wedding to Charles, Prince of Wales, captivated the world. However, their marriage was troubled from the start, with Charles' infidelity and emotional distance. Diana struggled with bulimia and depression by the pressures of royal life. The couple's public display of affection masked their private unhappiness. Diana's desperation for love and connection led her to seek solace in friendship and charity work. Diana's compassion for those suffering with HIV/AIDS helped reduce stigma around the diseases. Her iconic landmine removal campaign in Angola highlighted the devastating effects of war. Diana's visit to hospitals and shelters. Her commitment to the she broke royal protocol by touching patients with HIV/AIDS, challenging social norms. Diana's kindness and warmth earned her nickname the People Princess. Diana's struggle with the mental health, including depression and anxiety, were often misunderstood. Her experience with bulimia and self-harm were hidden from the public eye. Diana's desperation for love led her to seek comfort in unhealthy relationships. Her painful divorce from Charles left her feeling isolated and patriarchal. Despite her struggles, Diana remained commitment to her charitable work and her children. Lady Diana's personal life was marked by both music and pain. Her marriage to Charles was troubled, but she maintained her compassion and empathy. Diana's humanity and kindness continue to inspire and influence people worldwide. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends, and join us on a journey through the extraordinary life of Lady Diana, the People Princess. From her childhood to her tragic death, explore Diana's fascinating biography. Discover the untold story of Lady Diana's beyond the glamour and glory. This is in-depth documentary reveals the struggles and triumphs of Diana's life. Learn about Lady Diana's remarkable life from her royal wedding to her philanthropic world. Get an insider's look at Diana's passion and struggles. Explore Lady Diana's enduring legacy from her impact on the royal family to her charitable work. Diana's story continues to inspire and captivate audience worldwide. And remember Lady Diana's 25 years after her passing. This tribute celebrates Diana's life, legacy, and unwavering compassion. Believe Lady Diana's most iconic moment from her wedding dresses to her charity work. A timeless tribute to the people princess. And delve into the Lady Diana's psychological struggles, including her battles with depression and bulimia. Understand the complexities of Diana's inner world. Examine Lady Diana's fashion evolution from royal protocol to personal style. Diana's influence on fashion remains unparalleled. So, my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I request all of you please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. So, my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I will be going to telling you about my YouTube channel. In my channel, you can see here Lady Diana's biography, life history, and her humanitarian works. Lady Diana charity work took her to hospitals, hospitals, and shelters worldwide. She supported organizations aiding HIV/AIDS patients, landmine victims, and the homeless. Diana's compassion and empathy earned her respect and admiration of those she helped. Her high-profile involvement raised awareness and funds for countless cases. Lady Diana's charity work took her to hospitals and shelters worldwide. Lady Diana's modernized the monarchy with her approachable nature. She brought royal protocol with public display of affection. Diana's charity work redefined the royal family role. Her relatability increased public interest in the monarchy. Diana's influence on William and Harry's charitable work is evident. Lady Diana's battle with depression, anxiety, and bulimia. Her struggles with self-esteem and confidence were public. Diana found solace through charity work and her thinking. Her divorce from Charles was a high-publicized struggle. Diana's resilience and determination inspired many. So Lady's fashion sense influenced many Asian style. Her iconic wedding dresses remains a cultural touchstone. Diana's casual, relaxed style of beauty contrasted with the royal protocol. Her love of designers' clothes and accessories helped British fashion. Diana's fashion legacy endured through Kate and Meghan. Her humanitarian work continues to inspire. Diana's impact on the monarchy remains significant. Her relatability and empathy earned her global admiration. Lady Diana's stories continues to captivate its audience. Her memory lives on through her son's charitable work. Carry out a random act of kindness with no expectation of reward. So anywhere I see suffering, that is where I want to be. I want to talk into a room and make people smile. HIV/AIDS not make people dangerous to know, rather to be normal than a princess. So Lady Diana's modernized the monarchy. She struggled with personal issues. So my beautiful viewers, I hope you like this video and I will see you in the next video. Take care.